On our recent cruise on Wonder of the Seas, we stayed in room 7721, and we wanted to give you a quick review and tour. It has your standard bathroom with a stand-up shower, a toilet, plenty of storage, and sink. Out in the main room, here is the first closet. There are plenty of shelves, your safe, some room for hangers, and 2 shelves. Next to your Royal King bed, there will be a lamp on both sides with a USB port and plugs for anything you need to charge. There will be a nice large LED TV, and on the other side of the bed, there's a closet where you can hang up your clothes on the top or on the bottom. We removed the bar on the bottom and put our hamper in there for dirty clothes and any extra things that we couldn't find a place for. Next to the second closet is the couch, which is currently set up as a bed and also pulls out for a 4th sleeper. Here's a view out to the boardwalk, which is why we picked this room. You can see the ultimate abyss, playmakers, and then we are right above Johnny Rockets. Here's a quick look at the desk, where there's plenty of room to store things. The mini fridge, and then there's also 5 drawers to store more of your clothes here. Another reason why we chose this stateroom is the easy access to the boardwalk. What makes Deck 7 unique is that when you take it right out of the stateroom and go towards the aft of the ship, it leads you directly to the rock wall above the boardwalk. Here's a quick look at the deck plan of Deck 7. There are 4 rooms on the starboard and port side of the ship that you can take advantage of this location. On some mornings we came out to this deck and we took advantage of this like we would a private balcony. Of course, it's not actually private here, but in the morning there is almost never anybody out here and you can enjoy your coffee by yourself. There are great views of the Aqua Theater, and on this side there's great views of the ocean. On this day we're actually back in Port Canaveral getting off the ship. Over here there's also an area that on some ships have chairs that you can sit down on to make it a little bit more private. Here's a view of Port Canaveral at sunrise on disembarkation day. You can also head down these stairs to Deck 6 where the boardwalk is located, and also the Aqua Theater. Straight ahead, there are stairs that take you straight to the running track, where there are chairs that you can take in the beautiful view of the wake when you're at sea, or on this morning, the beautiful sunrise over Port Canaveral. We booked this room mainly for its location. We were concerned about the noises from the boardwalk, the aqua show, and being right above Johnny Rockets. Fortunately, we never heard too much noise. There was only one night where we heard a little bit of bass from the aqua show, which only lasted a little bit, and we had no trouble sleeping. If you're looking to save some money by not staying in a balcony, this room might be for you. The access to the boardwalk and the track were fantastic. I highly recommend this room for you and your family. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and share if you find this video helpful.